Alright, you're ready to kick back with your favorite show, but your Hisense TV flashes that dreaded HDMI No Signal error. Yeah, I've been there too. Don't stress. I'll walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, check your HDMI cable. Is it bent, frayed, or looking a little worse for wear? Even a tiny nick can mess things up. And take a look at your HDMI ports. Sometimes dust or debris sneaks in, blocking the connection. Give them a quick clean with some compressed air if you have it. Then, plug your HDMI cable in firmly at both ends, TV and device. You'd be surprised how often a loose cable is the culprit. Still seeing no signal? Try switching your cable to another HDMI port on your TV. Sometimes one port just stops working, but the next one over is fine. Easy fix. If that's not it, swap out your device. Maybe try plugging in a Blu-ray player or a different streaming stick. If the new device works, chances are it's the original device causing trouble, not your TV. Also, double-check your TV's input. Grab your remote and make sure you're actually set to the right HDMI source. I know, it sounds obvious, but trust me, it happens to everyone. Trying to watch in 4K or HDR, dive into your TV's settings, find the HDMI section, and make sure enhanced HDMI format is turned on for that port. This helps your devices talk to each other the right way. If all else fails, try a power cycle. Turn off your TV, unplug it, and hold the TV's power button for about 20 seconds. Plug it back in and fire it up. And as a last resort, there's the factory reset, but remember, that'll erase everything, so only do it if you've tried everything else. Hopefully that gets you back to movie night. If it worked, drop me a comment. Let me know which tip did the trick. Thanks for watching.